Welcome aboard. Step into Captain Mark's cockpit. Today's military aviation term is wingman. Have you ever wondered why a fighter jets usually fly in pairs instead of alone? Because in modern air combat, many missions simply cannot be completed by a single fighter. The pilot who fly with and support the flight leaders is called the wingman. In most cases, the wingman is a younger or less experienced pilot, learning while supporting the leaders throughout the mission. In combat, a reliable wingman can even save the leader's life. A great wingman doesn't just follow the leader. He keeps the formation together and helps the team accomplish the mission. I am Captain Mark. Until our next flight.